Welcome back to another episode of West Coast Masters. Today's class is pretty simple, but everybody should know how to change your windshield wiper blades and check your fluids. Today's technician, Jose. Jose, break it down for him.
First, locate your wiper blades. Once you're sure they're the correct blades, unclip the old blades from the wiper arms. Then place a paper towel or something soft under the wiper arms to protect the glass. Add the old mounting clips off the old blades to the new blades. Then reinstall the blades on the wiper arms. And you're done. It's that easy. So now let's check our fluids. Before starting, make sure you have all the proper tools and parts ready to go. Wiper fluid, coolant, oil, and brake fluid, and of course a funnel. Locate your hood latch, open your hood, locate the dipstick that's on the side of the motor, usually on the driver's side. Check the oil, make sure the oil is to the full line. On this car, it doesn't need to be topped off, so you're good to go. Next, locate the brake fluid reservoir. Usually it's on the driver's side towards the firewall. There's a fill line on it. Make sure the fluid is there. If not, top it off to the fill line. Next, we're going to check the coolant level. Before checking it, make sure your engine is off and the vehicle is cooled down. Locate your radiator cap. They're usually labeled with caution hot symbol. If your car has a fill line, make sure the coolant is up to the fill line. Close the radiator cap, make sure it's sealed. Failure to do so may cause you some serious issues. Next, we're going to locate the windshield wiper fluid. Locate the fluid spout indicated by a yellow cap. Fill the fluid, do not overfill. Use a funnel if you need it. Once you topped off your windshield wiper fluid, close down your hood, make sure it's securely latched, then you're good to go. Hopefully these tips helped you out with your simple little steps to make sure your car is safe for the road.
Hopefully Jose showed you how simple it is to change your windshield wiper blades and to check all your fluids. Thanks again for tuning in to another episode of West Coast Masters. I'm Ryan Friedlinghaus, signing out.